everyone and welcome back to my channel. I want to teach myself to do nails. So I ordered some polygel from Wish, did them myself and they started to lift a bit. I work a lot with my hands, so they were holding a lot better than I thought from the beginning. But I want to do some new nails and I want to test out some of the new things I have received. Mostly of these packages I bought on Wish, but I've also ordered some things from Aliexpress, and actually I've ordered some other polygel from Aliexpress, so maybe we use that today, I don't know. But I'm going to show you everything and yeah, let's do that. And I'm sorry if you hear my washing machine in the background. I can't really turn it off right now. This is brush set I bought on Wish. Acrylic UV gel salon pen blah blah blah. Around $3 after shipping. So they look very cheap, I must say. Oh, what? Why is that? That's weird. Maybe that's a way to prevent them from being destroyed. No, I don't know. No, this is normal. I have ordered more stuff, but not everything has arrived yet. And then I bought these glitters. So I got these for free, but the shipping was $4, so not really free. Look really nice. Black one is fuller. There were more people who received them like me, so I don't know if that's just how they are making them. They hadn't spilled in the package, so I don't know, that's just weird. These are stilettos. No. Oh, dog hair everywhere. Okay, so is this the biggest one? They're very small. Okay. I also bought a 25 pix set Cosselia Nail Builder Gel Polygel Kit. It was okay. It says it costs $45. I did not pay that, but it also says that it's out of stock, so I guess they have just changed the price and the information. I got these cleansing wipes, some stickers. I don't know who the would put these on their nails. They're really ugly. I would never use these, so yeah, not my thing. Some more wipes, just rhinestones. I think we're going to use some of them today. And then these stripe things. I'm not really sure how to use these, so I probably won't. Always fun to have a lot of decoration so you can mix it up now and then. A nail clipper, glass cup, so you can put the slip solution in these because you need that with the polygel because it's getting all sticky if you're not. And this tweezer, it's probably for the decorations. You can pick them up and put them on. And this little brush to brush away all that dust, so really handy. And this is actually a really nice brush. I like it. Nail file, one more nail file, one of these little I don't know what you call these, but you take away skin. I'm not a nail technician, so Yeah. We also got one of those weird stuff, some nail forms. This is cuticle. Do you say that? Cuticle oil. And I actually like those. I have tested one of these before, years ago, and you're supposed to just do like that, and then it should come oil up here. But it's not, because it's broken, and that makes me so angry. Another brush, a top coat, some nail forms. So I've used some of them. You didn't get a lot of them, so I ordered some more. And the actual polygel. So I really recommend these. They were really nice to work with. They are a bit small and not completely full. And I thought I was smart to order some practice fingers, because I've also ordered a lot of acrylic powders and things, and I've never done that, and I don't want to f up my nails completely, so I thought it would be good to have something to practice on. But I'm not really sure how you should apply on this, because it didn't stay on the nail, it just fell off. So I don't know if you should buff this, but I mean, then you kind of destroys the fingers, so, or the nail. I'm not sure. And it was very difficult to put on nail forms on these, because they're very small. I mean, it's not like a regular human finger, so yeah, I have some difficulties with these ones. Then we have some gels, a UV top coat. Then we have this acrylic powder, more nail forms, a cleanser. So this is the kit we're going to use today. Oh god, I don't know what color we're going to use. Base coat and a top coat. So this looks almost like the one I have on. And the soft pink. And this is just the pink. It's sounding so much. This is pretty. I don't know why, but this was the one who looked the best in the pictures, so I ordered 2 of them. Oh, okay. Why did I... What? That looks red. That's not looking good at all. Why did I order so much of that? And of course we have one more lamp. So this is open, just as the other one. If you put them side by side, you see the one I've already tested is much smaller, so it's very hard to get your hand in this without putting your nails against everything. And of course, no adapter to this either. It's okay. Is it a countdown? Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, we like that. So we're going to use that one. So besides from all of that, I've also bought some stuff here at home at a dollar store. I wanted some nail files. These were very cheap. And this is so cute. Hello. How cute is this? We're going to cut them down, file them a bit, and then we're going to soak them in acetone. So I've bought 2 of them. This is acetone with oil. I don't think that's going to work, but I know this green one is one I've used when I was younger. And then we have this one, it's just acetone. Because I made these ones so thick, you can't really get in with these. Okay, so we have finally taken all of the polygel off. I have prepped the nails, I have buffed them, cleaned them, all of that. So they are completely prepped for a new set of nails. So I have decided that we're going to use the pink. Okay, so we're going to test this base coat. So we just take one of these. I don't know how you're supposed to put this on. I just found my own way of doing it. I slide it on the finger and I make sure that the ends is covered so I don't get a hole here or a gap. I take this base coat and then I cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, so it took a lot of time yesterday to even get them to look okay. This is what I come up with. I had some issues with the thumb because I was going to do a fade, like a French baby pink and white thing. I don't know what you call it, but a French nail. And the two polygels didn't work good together. So in the other nails, I just took the pink. So I put it on some glitter, some of this white glitter to the thumb, and then just pink to the other ones. And I really like them. So we're going to do the other hand today. That's a bit too much, but still it's the thumb. This is not my dominant hand, so have some patience with me. It's still a bit too long, but we file it later, so we just cure that for 80 seconds. So it's not completely cured underneath, so we're just smoothing that with some slip solution and cure it again. Okay, now it's completely cured, so I'm just going to do another layer and make sure it has the thickness and all of that. And then I will do the rest of the nails, and then we'll put on some glitter. So I'm going to show you that, and yeah, be right back. Okay, so we have the product on all of the nails, so we're just going to file them and shape them and all of that, and then we will put on some top coat and glitter. So we're just going to put on some top coat. I'm not going to take it all over, and cure that for maybe 10 seconds. And then we're going to dip it into this one. Then we cure it for 60 seconds. Just brush off any loose glitter. And now we put on some more of that top coat. And we're going to apply it on all of the nails. And cure that for another 60 seconds. Okay guys, I love these. They're a little bit thin, and I mean, I'm not a professional, so yeah, they're not perfect. This polygel is the best I've tested so far, but I've only tested 2 different brands. And these glitters are absolutely adorable, they're stunning. Yeah. And overall, I'm really happy. I'm happy about the nail lamp also, and all of the products are so amazing for that price. So I was thinking about putting on some rhinestones, but I think I will do that another time and just go for the glitter for this time. Well, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click the bell. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye!